to my daily tutorials. Remember the daily now, so if you want to see more, click subscribe and click that little bell button just next to it to get notified whenever I put up a new video. For now, this one is how to draw an old school palm tree on a beach design. It's a nice old classic one, I'm sure you'll love it, so enjoy.
Right people, how to draw an old school palm tree design. So we're going to start off with a nice big oval. It's going to be like the background bit, we're going to have like a little banner going around the outside. So do another oval, just on the inside of that one, like so. So you can see it's kind of like the frame. It's just a nice way of building it up. And next, apply some circles around the outside. Don't necessarily have to be in these positions, but I recommend one at the bottom, one at the top, at least. These smaller circles inside each one of those. And I'm going to divide these up into sections. So for this, I'm going to do 2 in sections of 8 and the other 2 in sections of 5. Now we've got that done. I'm going to get a line going across. This is going to be the horizon. So the edge of the sea. And then you get 2 diagonal lines coming up. And this is going to be the base of the palm tree now. Real simple but real effective. On top of this, 5 curves off. I like to have a bit more sort of high up than further down. And after that, you want to do diagonal lines come down from each one, except for the top one where you want to go on both sides. After this, do some lines going up through the palm tree. That sort of gives the texture for it. And 2 swerve lines at the bottom, just to create like a little bit of a beach scene. Then I'm going to do a little island just to the side. So a bit of a curved line, a bit of a squiggly line at the bottom. Just plus it in there nicely. Circle in the background for the sun. A couple of birds in the sky. The old classic ones, just like little V shapes. Does a trick. Going to do diagonal lines, going the whole way through the banner now. So we're going to turn it into an old school rope. So once you've got the diagonal bits in there, we're going to do this pattern. So we're going to do kind of like S-pen curves. That's going to fill up each one of those gaps. So going over those diagonal lines we just done. Like so. Real simple but really effective pattern. So you do a nice little touch here. You're basically just going to do another line around the outside, just curving around each one of those bumps. Yeah, it just kind of expands that background, just makes it real nice. Now it's going to put some curves around that initial flower down the bottom. Just curving the edges. And you can do the same for the other ones, except, one I'm going to do 1 curve, and the ones with 5, I'm going to do a little dip in the middle, so each petal is kind of like a heart shape. As some leaves on the outside now, just 2 curves with a line in the middle, and then a couple of swirls just off the edge. Now, get a nice big bold liner, go over all those lines just there like that. Now the other ones I haven't done, those little ones in the background, so I'm going to use a slight thinner liner, just like so. And a little detail just around the sand beaches a bit as well, just like repeating dot line, a few little dots in the flowers. Now I'm just going to black out half of those leaves. Now just come in here from either side of the water, got a little bit of black shade, just come up really harshly just from the side and fading out really quickly. On that palm tree, just come down each one of those sections, just fade down from each top bit, coming down a touch. Just a little bit on that bottom bit of the sand. So either side, just in the corners, just coming out a little bit, and a little bit on that lost island. A bit there just in the background bit on the other side of the banner. That's just a really nice simple touch. We're going to hit some red, so we're going to do some red fading out from inside the flowers, and a bit of just a red banner of that sun. Going to hit the yellow now, so yellow's inside the flowers, and just yellow throughout the outside of the banner. Bit of yellow just in the sand, not completely yellow, I'm leaving a little blank space just on either side. Bit of brown just around that centre flower, and a bit of green in the petals. Then you use a nice caramel brown just going through the rope now, just to fill in that space. And a little bit of green just in the island, and then boom, a nice bit of blue just in the water and on the other flower. And that does it. That simple. I hope you like it. Comment, like, subscribe. Check my videos. I am The Broken Puppet, and I'll see you next time. Peace.